Okay, so we've got a 1991 Jeep Wrangler with a 4-liter high output engine. Customer says that it was driving fine when she got back from college, and one day it just sputtered out a little bit and then it wouldn't start back up again. So we'll start with checking all the fuses and just all the most common things. Looks like it's in good shape. Okay. Alright, so for these, well, pretty much any car, it's always air, fuel, and spark. So, to see if we've got spark, we're going to go ahead and spray some starter fluid into the intake. If it starts up for just a minute, you know you've got spark. So. We got it intake on here now, so we'll stick it in. So since that's not working, we're gonna need to make sure we've got spark. Alright, so since the starter fluid did nothing and we checked the spark and there's no spark, now we need to figure out exactly why there's no sparks. Okay, now there's a few things that can cause no spark. One of them being the crank position sensor. Now, if it's the crank position sensor, we gotta watch the tachometer, check the RPMs while we're cranking. If the tachometer is dead, like that, then that gives us a starting point at least. Okay, so it's a new day. Forgot to record when I got here, but we got the new sensor plugged in. And we should start it up. sensor.